kind of interesting. It's all the people they're trying to get on this bus. They need more buses. They just put some more taxis into the city, but they need more buses. But you can see all these people are just waiting for these buses, right? And you just have to wait and wait and wait. And actually, I'm going to try to catch this bus right here, this 33 if I can, and this 10B. So the bus that I want is way down there. I think all these people are, they just can't get them all in, so they have to wait for such a long time. So anyways, we're gonna see what our bus is like. I'm gonna jump in this 33. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, we're gonna try to get this 33 bus. We'll see how crowded it is. There's two of them. Good. This is perfect. That means that trying to get into it, it's going to be a challenge. When there's two of them together, that's a really good sign, because that means that one of them is going to be a little bit empty. But sometimes it can be quite crowded, so it's not too bad. So we're going to try to find a place to go in here. Then what we're going to do is just kind of capture the bus experience. So this is the 33 bus, and this goes into Taipa. So we're going to try to, I think I'm going to try to go up to the front and try to film out the front window. So this bus is going to go through a roundabout in a moment, and then that roundabout will be a lot of people getting on and off, most likely. Then this actually goes into Taipa. This is also going to take the middle bridge. This is another big tourist attraction right there too. See how many people are going to come in. All these people? Okay. So actually we got kind of a full bus here. So it's enough off for now, but there's going to be a lot of people coming on. So, and then this bus will go through Taipa as well. So he's brought in, but we got a guy right here. He's controlling it, so he's making sure people get on the bus, I guess. And I think there's also an issue that they might overcrowd the buses as well. So you can kind of see if it's crowded or not. Okay. So we're going to go over the bridge and we're going to go to Taipa and then kind of highlight it. There's the bridge right there, so I'm going to bring the camera to the right in a moment. You can also see the Macau Tower, which is right there. That's the Yoho treasure island. Those are the legal courts right there. And then we're going to drive over. This is all reclaimed land right here. And then this is a little isthmus. You'll see it when we go across it. There you got Macau Tower. All those tall buildings in the background are Zhuhai, China. So yeah, there's Macau Tower. We come back over on this side. And then you can see the tall buildings straight ahead. there, the GM wing. This is called the middle bridge. That's what they refer to it as, because it's there's a bridge right there. So that bridge is Saivan Bridge, which is named after that Saivan Lake over there. And then this is I think it's called the Governor's Bridge. It's shaped like a dragon. So so if we were to go the other direction, it goes up and then it goes down into the casinos like a dragon would. So we're on the tail of the dragon of this particular bridge. So yeah, that's the tail because it goes down close to the ocean. And then this part over here is Hengqin's financial district, all those empty buildings. I think it's only 10% occupied right now. So 90% is unoccupied as of 2023, October. And then you can see some reclaimed land coming into view right there. So that was all ocean recently. So we're going to highlight that more in a moment. So we're basically going to be going down that street where that big building's at, so it's Altira. That one right there. This is bus. That's for the Grand Prix. Grand Prix is coming up next month, November. So this is all the reclaimed land right there. So you can see all these weeds right there. So they recently, they've been building it for, I don't know, 6-7 years already, I think. So I've been watching it slowly progressing, and soon they're going to put buildings there. I think there's a school. It's like a whole community. So they have everything all organized and lined up. So you're actually seeing it, and we'll see what it looks like. But yeah, that's going to be the end of it right there. And then there's this road right here. A lot of people will always thought that was the skyline view, and that will block it. But maybe it'll be, I don't know. I don't know what it'll be like fully. You can go up there as well, up on that mountain. You can overlook the ocean and get some good views too. I think that's called Taipa Pequeño, I believe. So we're basically this is all Taipa Centro. So that's Taipa Central Park right over there. We got some hotels right here. So this is a quarantine hotel during COVID. So actually I traveled during COVID, and I was in one of those rooms right up there near the top. That was on the 8th floor. Couldn't leave for 10 days. So yeah, I think there's a few quarantine hotels, and that was one of them. Here's Altira. It's a very expensive hotel with really beautiful rooms. I've never seen them, but I've seen pictures of them. Kind of crowded bus right here. Okay, so we're going to see some views of on this side now. CTM. In a minute, you're going to see the fire station, which has a pretty unusual building. Still lots of people on the bus. So this yellow building right here is going to be the fire station. So at first it looks like kind of interesting architectural building, but then when you look at it closer, you can see why it's part of the fire station, so you can practice putting out fires on it. for Taipa. We're just going to come up a little bit. So and what we're going to do next is we're going to go down to Taipa village, which is straight ahead. And you can also see another mountain to the left. It's Taipa Grande. That's a mountain to the left there. It goes to the casinos down that way. The police. So this is Taipa Centro, and then this street right here goes to Taipa village. This is a nice little street right here. So we're going to go down the street, and then we're going to end when we get to the next station, actually. It's a really nice place right there. Firecracker Museum. And I'm gonna push this button here. And then we're gonna get off to the next spot. It's directly down that way. This street often has people walking the street, so it's difficult. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to go through this crowd. So we're going to try to go through everybody. got off at our spot. Ooh, dang. Okay, so that's basically the bus that we just got off, and jeez. So kind of typical buses though, pretty crowded, hard to get. They need to put a lot more buses, but city definitely has enough money for it. But anyways, it is what it is. So we just took the 33 bus, I believe. Yeah, that was the 33. And now we're in Taipa village. Oh, there's the other 33. So that 33 was behind us, and that one hardly has anybody in it. So if I would have waited, I would have gotten that one instead. Sometimes they go back and forth and you don't really know which one. There's the dragon reference again. It's a dragon wall. Anyways, that's a 33 bus right over there, so we're gonna end it right here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.